Very well. Vile mmeuliza mambo ya paralegal. PS, I just want you to look at what is required to post a paralegal here. I can get some budget somewhere. So sasa nimefika hapa, alafu wamesema wanataka paralegal. I cannot say no. So just let me know what is required. We will provide a budget from 1st of June kuwe na paralegal wa hii jela. Even if it's in contractual, local contracts, for 2-3 years as we renewable. We can have that arrangement in case you are constrained. Hawa wataki volunteer, wanataka paralegal yao hapa ya kuwasaidia. Nitakutafutia pesa. Wako na bahati, unajua ni siku yao. Wacha tu. Mambo ya uniform tumemaliza. Mambo ya fast tracking of withdrawal of cases. I think Commissioner General needed to take that up. That's an administrative matter. Once the DPP has withdrawn charges, there must be a timeline within which that withdrawal should be affected. That timeline should be in a matter of days, if not hours. So work out the program. Maybe when we go back to Nairobi, let me know what is a good timeline. I want to announce as a policy directive across the country so that we don't have people whose cases have been withdrawn, but the process is taking long. And I'll also engage the DPP to make sure that we have a seamless withdrawal process for those whose cases have been withdrawn.